Welcome to our channel. Before we dive into the details of the Corsair 3000D Airflow mid-tower PC case, just a quick heads up. The link to purchase this product at a discounted price is pinned in the first comment below, so be sure to check it out. The Corsair 3000D Airflow is a standout choice for PC builders who prioritize cooling and spacious design. Its high airflow steel front panel is optimized to deliver maximum ventilation, which is crucial for maintaining low temperatures during intense gaming or heavy workloads. The case supports up to 8 120mm fans or 4 140mm fans, allowing for extensive customization and exceptional cooling potential. It even accommodates large radiators, including a 360mm unit in the front and a 280mm radiator on the roof, depending on your RAM height. Included are two quiet 3-pin fans featuring Corsair's Air Guide technology, which helps focus airflow with increased static pressure, enhancing overall cooling efficiency while keeping noise levels down at just 24.7 dBA. One of the highlights of this case is its dedicated GPU cooling system. With two additional 120mm fan mounts on the PSU shroud, you can install fans that direct airflow specifically to your graphics card, a feature that benefits high-performance builds. The case supports quad-slot GPUs up to 360mm in length, making it compatible with the latest large graphics cards. Internally, the spacious design ensures easy installation and cable management, while the black matte finish gives it a sleek, professional look. Pros of the Corsair 3000D Airflow include its excellent airflow design, extensive fan and radiator support, quiet and efficient included fans, and robust GPU cooling options. It also offers great compatibility with high-end components and a clean, modern aesthetic. On the downside, the front panel is steel rather than mesh, which, while optimized for airflow, might not match the airflow potential of full mesh panels on some competing cases. Additionally, the reliance on 3-pin fans might require adapters or controllers for some users looking to integrate 4-pin PWM fans for more precise speed control. Overall, the Corsair 3000D Airflow mid-tower PC case is a fantastic option for gamers and PC enthusiasts who need strong cooling performance and flexibility for high-end components. Don't forget, the link to purchase this case at a discount is pinned in the first comment below. Grab yours while the offer lasts.